Making breaded fish fillets is a delicious and relatively simple dish to prepare. Here's a basic recipe for you to follow. Ingredients. 1. 4-6 fish fillets, such as cod, haddock, or tilapia. 2. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 3. 2 eggs. 4. 1 cup breadcrumbs, you can use plain, seasoned, or panko breadcrumbs. 5. Salt and pepper to taste. 6. Optional, paprika, garlic powder, or other seasonings of your choice. 7. Vegetable oil, for frying. 8. Lemon wedges, for serving. Instructions. Prep the fish fillets. 1. Rinse the fish fillets under cold water and pat them dry with paper towels. 2. Season the fillets with salt and pepper on both sides, and any additional seasonings you prefer. Set up breading stations. 1. Prepare 3 shallow dishes or plates. 2. Place the flour in the first one, beaten eggs in the second one, and breadcrumbs in the third one. 3. If you're using additional seasonings, you can mix them into the breadcrumbs. Coat the fillets. 1. Dredge each fish fillet in the flour, shaking off any excess. 2. Dip the floured fillet into the beaten eggs, allowing any excess to drip off. 3. Coat the fillet with breadcrumbs, pressing gently to adhere. 4. Make sure the fillet is evenly coated with breadcrumbs. Heat the oil. 1. In a large skillet, heat enough vegetable oil over medium-high heat to shallow fry the fillets. 2. The oil should be hot but not smoking. 3. A good test is to sprinkle a few breadcrumbs into the oil. If they sizzle and start to brown, the oil is ready. Fry the fillets. 1. Carefully place the breaded fish fillets into the hot oil. 2. Be cautious not to overcrowd the pan. You might need to fry them in batches depending on the size of your pan. 3. Fry the fillets for about 3-4 minutes on each side or until they are golden brown and crispy. 4. The exact cooking time will depend on the thickness of the fillets. Drain and serve. 1. Once the fillets are cooked, use a slotted spatula to carefully remove them from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve. 1. Serve the breaded fish fillets hot with lemon wedges on the side for a fresh burst of flavor. 2. They pair well with side dishes like French fries, coleslaw, or a simple green salad. Enjoy your homemade breaded fish fillets. Feel free to customize the seasonings and breadcrumbs according to your taste preferences.